replace your headlights? Not before watching this. We're taking this cloudy, useless lens and restoring it to like-new clarity, using just a few pro tools and the right technique. You're watching John Car Care, where real car lovers fix, clean, and level up their rides the smart way. Love your car? Then hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Here's what we're using to restore this headlight properly. Starting with a dual-action polishing machine, smooth and safe on delicate surfaces. Then, a range of foam polishing pads, medium cut and soft for different stages. We've also got 3 grades of sandpaper. P600 to start breaking down oxidation, P800 to refine the surface, and P1500 for a smooth final finish. Add in a quality polishing compound, masking tape to protect surrounding paint, a spray bottle to keep the surface damp, and a clean microfiber towel for the final wipe. Simple tools, powerful results. Now, before we touch the headlight, it's important to protect the surrounding paint. We're using automotive masking tape to carefully outline the edges around the lens. And for extra safety, we go around twice. This gives us a clean working area, prevents pad contact with painted surfaces, and ensures a pro finish. Let's go. We're starting with P600 sandpaper. This is where we break through the oxidized layer that's dulling the lens. Use steady pressure and even strokes. And always keep the surface damp. This is the foundation. Do it right, and everything after gets easier. Hold the paper flat and work in straight lines, not circles. Alternate directions between passes to avoid sanding grooves into the plastic. Let the paper do the work. No need to push hard. If the water starts looking cloudy, that means it's working. You're lifting off the damaged layer. And one last tip. Wipe and inspect the lens between each step. Don't rush it. After that, I move to P800. This step smooths out the scratches left by the P600 and prepares the lens for polishing. Something super important. Keep the surface wet at all times. I'm misting water as I go. It cools the lens, keeps the paper clean, and helps everything move smoother. Dry sanding can heat up the plastic and leave uneven marks. We don't want that. Switch directions every few minutes. Go horizontal, then vertical. What we're looking for is a soft, even, matte finish across the lens. Now let's take a look at the surface after P800. You can already feel and see it's way smoother than before. Most of the yellowing and oxidation are gone, and the lens now has a soft, even, matte finish. But we're not done yet. Before polishing, I'm stepping it up with P1500 to refine the surface even more. Just like before, light pressure, smooth motion. Don't press too hard. The key here is to change your sanding direction. If you went side to side before, now go up and down or on a slight angle. That way, you avoid overlapping scratch lines. And always remember, keep the surface wet. I spray water regularly, just a light mist every few passes. It helps cool the lens, keeps the sandpaper clean. For this stage, I usually sand with P1500 for about 5 to 7 minutes per headlight. If you did a good job with P800, this step is mostly about refining and smoothing things out. I check the lens. If it looks evenly dull, smooth to the touch, and the water flows nicely, that's a sign we're good. But if I feel any rough spots or see leftover scratches, I go a bit longer. Surface is perfect after P1500. It's got a smooth, even matte finish. No deep scratches, no patchy spots. That's exactly what we want before moving into polishing. All the sanding we've done up to this point was to prepare for this stage. And now, it's time to bring the lens back to life. Let's start compounding. Polishing step, I'm using a large yellow cad. It's got a light cutting action, which makes it perfect for headlights that have been prepped with P1500. The larger size helps cover more surface area quickly, especially on bigger lenses like those on SUVs or crossovers. When paired with a light compound, this pad brings out clarity and shine without burning the plastic. Just a few passes in, and the headlight already looks way brighter. That cloudy layer is fading, and the clarity is starting to come through. But don't get too excited just yet. This is only the beginning. A good compound can show fast results, but you still need to work methodically, section by section. If you stay too long in one spot or press too hard, you risk overheating the plastic or leaving hazy spots. So keep the speed steady, check the lens often, and take breaks if things start heating up. At this point, we're switching to a smaller pad. This is our fine-tuning stage, perfect for handling tight edges and curves that the larger pad couldn't reach. The orange foam is slightly softer, making it ideal for final stage polishing. It helps us achieve a deeper gloss and a more uniform finish across the lens. With a smaller pad, we have better control and precision, especially around the edges. We're still using a light compound, working in smooth motions and watching the reflections closely. Once we see a clear, consistent shine with no hazy patches, we know it's ready for the finishing touch. Now, the final step. We finish by using a soft foam pad by hand for detailed refinement. This helps us polish tight areas and give the lens that last boost of clarity and depth. We apply a bit of light polish, move in gentle circles, or follow the lens shape, keeping the pressure even and soft. Once the surface is clean and evenly glossy, we move to the red foam pad. Ultra soft, perfect for the final finish. This pad adds that extra depth and prepares the lens for sealing. With this ultra-soft red foam pad, we're using a light gray finishing polish or sealant. It's non-aggressive, designed to enhance gloss and prep the surface for protection. The red pad gives us gentle control, smoothing everything out without risking damage to the freshly polished lens. Now that polishing is done, we're wiping down the surface using a high-quality microfiber towel. It might seem like a small step, but it's critical. We always choose clean, soft, edgeless towels to avoid micro scratches on the freshly polished lens. Just light, even passes to remove any leftover polish and check that final shine under the light. After sanding, machine polishing, hand finishing, and the final red pad, we've brought this headlight back to life with clarity and shine. It's not just brighter, it looks factory fresh. If this video helps you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and share to support John Car Care. We've got more hands-on detailing, pro tips, and real garage action coming your way. Thanks for watching.